Good morning, students. Let us continue with our lesson number 6, which we have started last week, that is natural regions. Right? Last time we have seen many pictures and we have found that there are number of varieties of the things which are dependent on the regions. So, we are going to study natural regions. Let us first revise the definition of natural regions. Right, the definition we have to revise. What? The regions that stand out, the regions that stand out on the basis of natural factors, they are called natural regions. So why they are unique, that we are going to study. Why these regions are the unique regions in the world. Okay, so they are called as the natural regions. Let us study today. Now we will see today the first region, that is the tundra region, right, which starts from the polar area, that is the North Pole region. Now here you see, this is the world map. In this world map you will find this blue color thing, right? Now this blue color represents what? The tundra region in the world. So it is located where? That is in the top, that is the North Pole. That North Pole region is totally covered with the Arctic Ocean, which is the tundra region area. Okay, so this is the map of the tundra region. The bluish color represents the tundra region which is present in the world on the earth's surface. Location and extent, our next point. Where it lies between 65 degrees to 90 degree parallels in the north. Okay, between 65 to 90 degrees parallels in the north it lies. Which areas are covered? That is the Greenland, North Canada, North Europe and North Asia. So these areas are covered with the tundra region. You can see this is also the world map which shows the tundra region which is there in the northern part of the world, right? Let's continue, children. You can see tundra region heading is given and you can see this region is totally covered. The land is totally covered with the snow full, and you can see the animals are there. These animals find the food inside the snow only, the fishes and all. Fine. Now you will see this area is totally covered with the snow, right? You can see this mountain ranges, the Rocky Mountains, which are totally covered with the ice. Fine. So tundra region is totally covered with the ice. It is the polar region. Climate in tundra region we will study now. Let's see. Mean summer temperature is 10 degrees. Imagine, children, if the temperature in the summer is 10 degrees, means what in the winter? Mean winter temperature approximately is minus 20 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. Extreme cold over there. We just cannot stay. Mean annual rainfall is 25 to 300 millimeters. Rainfall takes place. And the climate is very cold, right? So we have got very cold climate in the tundra region. Next topic, that is the natural vegetation. What prevails? Let us see. Short-lived vegetal life. So we get the plants life over there is short-lived, means when they are growing. Now you will say, teacher, once you are telling that it is covered with the snow. So we get the life of the, that is the plant life, where it is in the summer season. When the summers are there for 2 months, that time the snow melts and the small plants grow and they bear the flowers and the fruits also within a period of 2-3 months. So it is short-lived vegetal life. Short grass, small shrubs, flowers, moss and lichens are the plants which are growing over there. Plants grow during summer time and bear flowers. So when are the plants growing? I told that is during the summer season, and they bear the flowers and the fruits also during that time only. Now see, this is also one type of a picture. Children, you can see it is a small flowering plants you can see over there. This is the visual, that is a view of the tundra region place in the summer time when the small plants grow over there, the shrubs and all. Let us study the plant characteristics of tundra, right? Let us see the first. There are only about 1700 different species. Imagine how many 1700 different species of the plants are there. These are mostly shrubs, sedges, mosses, lichens and grasses. These plants experience brief periods of growth in the summer when temperatures are warm enough for vegetation to grow, means they get the heat of the sun. The growing season is approximately 180 days in alpine Arctic biome and greater 50 days growing. The time period is for the 50 days growing. Vegetation in Arctic tundra region is limited. Arctic tundra plants must adapt to the cold, dark conditions of the tundra as the sun does not rise during the winter months. So no sunrise is there during the winter season. Most of the plants height ranges 5 centimeter to 8 centimeter only. So the height of the plants is 5 to 8 centimeter only. I hope this is clear to you all children. See, this is the view of the plants. How beautiful the land looks. Imagine once it is covered with the ice in winter season, and then in the summer the land is so beautiful, covered with the various colorful flowers. See, this is the second picture. Isn't it very beautiful? So nice it looks. Don't you feel children like that we should go and see all those things naturally? See, wow, the land looks so beautiful. This is our tundra region. Now next is animal life in tundra region. Which animals are found? Let us see. Caribou, reindeer, etc. So children, these are the animals who can bear the cold over there. Those who are staying, these animals are able to bear the cold, the extreme cold of that particular region. The body is adapted to that climatic conditions only. Polar bears, foxes, walrus and seal are found. Animals with soft thick fur because they have to survive in the winter. Human life in tundra region. Hunting and fisheries is the main occupation of the people in the tundra region, because you know it is a land covered with the ice, so crops cannot be cultivated. Hide, tents, igloo, houses. Now these are the type of the houses where they live in. Hide, the skin of the animals is used to make the huts and all small. Then the tents are there, igloos, such type of houses you find in this area. Use of sledges. You know, dogs carry the sledge. It's a wooden sledge which the dogs carry, as we have the bullock cart. So use of sledges is done to carry the things from one place to the other. So this kind of human life the people are living in tundra region. It is very rare, sparse population you will find over there, children. Eskimo people. So which type of people are living? The Eskimos are living over there. Tough life due to ice covered region. The life is not very easy, difficult. And population distribution is sparse due to unfavorable climatic conditions. What is that? Population distribution sparse. Why sparse means less number of people you will find. What is the reason? Due to unfavorable climatic conditions. Understood the human life of the people? Now children, we have studied the tundra region. Our second region is the taiga region. Now you can see this is also the world map. Now this green color area which is covered with the green, it is the taiga region. It is next to the tundra. Okay. Location and extent we will see. Approximately between 55 degrees and 65 degree north parallels this place is located. We have studied tundra is located in the 65 to 90 degrees. So this place is located where? 55 to 65 degrees north parallels. From Alaska to Atlantic coast it covers the region and the other parts of Eurasia. Okay. So it covers what? Alaska to Atlantic coast and parts of Eurasia. Natural vegetation in taiga. Let us see which type of plants we find. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forest means what? Conical shaped trees are found, tall trees which have the coniferous shape. Conical shape we can see. Leaves are narrow, pointed, branches leaning towards the ground. As you have seen the, I think, Xmas tree, right? During the Christmas we have the Xmas tree. same type of coniferous forests are there. The plants, the trees appear of the same variety over there. The branches are leaning down so that the snow falls off from the branches. Wood is light and soft. The wood is light and soft of the trees. Then which trees are found? That is a spruce, fir, pine, redwood, etc. are found in this region. That is the taiga region. You can see here. See this. These are the beautiful pictures of what? The coniferous forest. Right? So you can see it beautifully. The tall trees, branches leaning down, and it is covered with the white color is the snow, that is the ice. Plants in taiga region, you can see this is the spruce, that is a black spruce it is. Then it is the white spruce. Here we have the jack pine, then western red cedar. So these are the trees, the plants which are found in the taiga region. Let us see next, what is that? Animal life in taiga. Which animals are found? Animals, those who have soft and thick fur on their body, are found in taiga region because that is also covered with the ice. Caribous, elks, ermine, beavers, silver fox, minks, bears, etc. are found. So these are the animals found in the region. Now see the images of the animals. So these are the images. You can see in the first one you can see the owl, reindeer, fishes and the bear. So I have some beautiful images which I am showing you, children. See this, right? The other picture of the animals. Now see this also here. This is elk, right? This is the brown bear. This is lynx. It appears like the cat. And this is what? Moose. Okay, we call it as reindeer also. And this children picture you will see very well. It is the image of moss. मराठी तुम्ही त्याला शेवाळ म्हणतात और हिंदी में उसको हम लोग काई बोलते हैं, जो वाटरी सरफेस पे जम जाती है ना, हरा हरा कलर का जम जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं मॉस. In English it is called as shewa in Marathi. I hope now you will understand clearly. And this is the lichens. These are the lichens, right? So moss and lichens also have shown you so that you understand what type of plants are found over there. Human life in taiga. Next we will see. Population is less because of the climatic conditions. Occupations are lumbering and hunting. The trees are there, so cut down the trees for the sake of wood and hunting the animals. Few agrarian activities, a small some cultivation of the crops and all they are doing. So children, I hope you have understood today the two regions which we have studied, that is the tundra region and the taiga region. You will also study, you will see the videos again and again to understand. It is very interesting. Okay. In the next lecture, we will study the next two regions.